your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Welcome back. We do start meteorological summer. That does kick off tomorrow on June 1st. Today is the last day of May. That does consist of June, July, and August. Temperatures do warm for the first half of it, and then they are going to dip. So 77s where we'll find ourselves tomorrow. That's the average high, but we're going to be well above that. The 31st, 84. We also start the month of July off at 84, only drop 1 degree from start to finish, though, to 83. And then we go from 83 the 1st of August all the way down to 80 degrees. So not a major drop in temperatures, but we're going to see that once we get into the fall and obviously meteorological winter as well. The rain, though, for the month of June, just under 3 inches, will take us all the way up to above 4 inches, though. Those are the average inches we usually see June, July, and then into August. Warmer, more humid today than what we have seen, well above average temperatures to end May and start June off. Hot and muggy the rest of the week. That also brings back the daily chance for pop-up showers and even thunderstorms out there. The best chance I do think will be Wednesday and then Thursday, so today and tomorroor during the afternoon and evening. 64 is where we're at right now in Rockford. There's a couple 70s, 70 if you're waking up with us in DeKalb, 67 in Rochelle. We're up to 71 in Galena right now. So it is a beautiful start to the day. Sunshine is finally working its way back in over Beloit, the northeast side of Rockford, and Rochelle, downtown Rockford as well. But there's still a lot of cloud cover. That's not really going to change. It'll be a mix of sunshine and clouds as we take you through the next several days out there. But there's nothing developing on radar yet. That will be a different story, though, like I said, by the afternoon and evening. I still think the better chances are probably off towards the city and south of here, so Chicago, and then places kind of just along I-80. But these will travel then from the north or from the south to the north. That's going to increase some cloud cover out there as well. And then tomorrow, very similar to what you saw today on radar developing for tomorrow afternoon as temperatures do warm as well. So with the heat and humidity comes the daily chance, at least today, tomorrow, maybe even into Friday, for those pop-up showers and storms. They'll move out of here very quick. They're not going to be stationary where they kind of linger over an area and cause flash flooding. They're not going to be widespread either, but something to note as we go through this afternoon and then tomorrow afternoon as well. We have had a major lack of rainfall, though, actually, the entire month of May. So our average is just over almost 4 inches of rain, actually, and we're just below 2 inches. That is almost a 2-inch deficit, though, for May of 2023. We'll take you all the way back. You have to go more than 2 weeks back, though. May 19th, that's when we got almost 0.2 of an inch, a little bit more of a widespread rain that occurred back on the 13th of May, and we did get 0.8 of an inch of rain. So it's been quite some time since we've seen even a trace of rain out there, and we are going to continue to go some time. I still think we'll see a little bit today and tomorrow, but it's not going to be enough to take us out of that abnormally dry category, thinking that's actually going to expand. We'll have to see that on our update. The drought monitor update comes out tomorrow around 7:30. So expecting those abnormally dry conditions to expand further across the state line. Temperatures warmer, upper 80s today, tomorrow lower 90s, Friday and Saturday. A little cooler, but Whitney, that's barely a drop. It's still going to feel warm out there for Sunday.
Yes,